Good morning, everyone. My name is Supriya Kulkarni, and I'm here to talk about my entrepreneurial journey and our organization Kaiser Software. During my days in my corporate career as an auditor and as an administrative person, I realized the importance of taking pain out of the processes that are implemented in an organization and the key concern of multiple data sources that are needed to be reconciled to be offered a clear view for internal compliance, for management concerns, and for any futuristic growth. Taking this particular concern ahead, I and my husband Manish, who has been heading various global organizations and banks, to automate their internal processes, to offer a single point of view, and also to handle the entire architectural rework. We have identified some key concern points and we have taken this entrepreneurial journey. In 2016, we started on this journey, and in the last 4 years, we have been able to work with various global and Indian banks to ensure that they get effective automation. And the most important thing is taking the pain out of the processes, which have been a major concern point and a major loss of resource optimization, of TAT, and of customer dissatisfaction. I'm going to take you through a series of slides to showcase our viewpoint and our opportunities, the opportunities ahead, and the progress we have made so far. Kaiser's key focus has been creation of niche banking products in trade finance, regulatory reporting and lending, as supporting multiple regulations within a unified platform. We currently work with leading Indian and global banks. This is the key team profile with myself, my husband Mr. Manish Barucha, and our key associate, Director Jay Shah. We identified the key problems that are increasing bank liabilities for regulatory compliance, the lack of a unified platform for compliance and reporting structure. We also defined the key compliance issues which face trade finance as a business model with highly paper-based and documented manual approach, fragmented banks' business processes that were implemented across their internal systems, multiple data source points, and diverse file formats which come across as inputs and are needed as outputs across the platforms. The most important concern point was the dissatisfaction that the customers faced due to these internal problems, and hence make their move to better banks for better service offerings. To resolve these internal concerns for banks and to ensure key customer satisfaction, we identified also what as Kaiser that we were good at. We identified that we could be great super connectors to ensure that we offered robust, intelligent, simple, and efficient solutions for banks, for regulatory bodies, and their customers. As founding members, we ourselves have been the key marketing team. What we offer as opportunities is a very, very niche segment where currently only the large players, global players exist. And with the market opening up within India, the development that is happening across different segments, we see great opportunity because today every single bank, an organization, or a financial institution wants to take automation initiatives, wants to improve their internal processes, and ensure that it all happens within a budgeted structure. We today see a lot of global growth, and also within the internal Indian geography, a lot of domestic regulatory push giving us an opportunity to grow further. Currently, we only foresee foreign players which would be entering the Indian market and disrupting it. But that will only give us more strength to take things ahead with all the rest of the organization and players. What we have seen as our major product line as of the last 4 years has been our smart digital products for trade finance automation and regulatory reporting, which bridges the gap between offering intelligent automations, removing the operational silos, and the service transformation for customers. We foresee a great digital connectivity ahead, which will initiate from an internet banking platform, the entire organizational workflow automation, connectivity to the core systems and the core banking systems, to also ensure an outcome to the regulatory reporting organizations. If you see our main initiatives here, we want to offer standardizations, integrations, digital front end, and regulatory compliance. We currently have a very strong team of 45 key minds. We have been growing successfully in the last 3 years with a 60% year-on-year growth. And our vision is to be the first choice for every bank globally through our cutting-edge projects. Our performance in the last financial year has been that we've acquired 12 new banks. We've been active with 12 banks. We've acquired 5 new banks in the FY 2019. We've added 4 new banking products. We've grown across key verticals in trade finance and reportings. And we are a strong recognition in the industry with the IBS Intelligence India FinTech report recognizing us as a rising fintech player. This is the number of banks and our timeline that has been possible in the last 4 years. What we would want to focus ahead is to offer initiatives in digital banking, to play a key role in offering banks open APIs, to again expose their services to other players around, to integrate our solutions with blockchain, OCR, and data analytics, to create platforms for trade products for the importer-exporters as well. We have a key R&D team with product domain expertise which is continuously working on key initiatives. We are investing and taking ahead initiatives for cloud delivery models, and we are expanding our product portfolio to address the digitization of the market. Our current revenue models stand at product sales, which offers licenses and cost for licensing. Our AMC model, which gives us year-on-year annual maintenance and provides also an efficient model for technical support. We offer key support services where we offer individuals or support team members, and also support over and above the AMC on a periodic basis. In terms of implementation, we integrate with various internal banking processes, and we help the bank handle installations within the bank's existing platforms. Our product enhancements are an ongoing effort, and along with our ongoing effort, the banks have been continuously coming to us with various product change requests and enhancements, giving us an opportunity to further create value for the banks and for our organization. We have had a very profitable track record of increasing business from our existing customers in the last 4 years. What we see as a potential market is an addressable market of almost $9 trillion globally. What we see is a serviceable available market is a market for $6 billion. And what we are currently in a position to service is an obtainable market of $60 million. And this come across from various reports. Our key competitors are in the all major global players and very highly accomplished Indian players as well, where you have Finastra, which is a global leader. You have Virtusa, which is again an Indian company but grown globally. CGI, again organization grown globally now. And NewGen, which is in the past 20 plus years taken leaps ahead in terms of global acquisition of business. We have been a rising star as positioned by the IBS Intelligence India FinTech report. We have also procured the Most Innovative Startup of the Year by the World Leadership Federation in 2016. This is a small list of our regulatory product suites and our key initiatives in trade finance automation. Thank you so much.